Omayento aso yensua de ene me no besua de afa wo onipa su ene wonipa ban. Nipa wo ya unim. De wo utimi ya unim. Enti ne de me no besua ya to ne din se words. Ensem. Wo ye nipa onyankopon aye wo se utimi sesa wabrabo. Utimi sanso se wabrabo. So here is the case. Yenim nipa su ene nipa ban. Enti yetimi de yanum kasa ese ya brabo. Timi de yanum kasa so kra ya brabo. De bia me ka asem bi se wo ye nipa onyankopon ayew na sene wasina ye wafa no se asem biela wo de wa no beka no it has effect on your life. Enti da ne da me kasa wo tena ho din a ya hwensem a wo ka kire onipa bia no hwe ne ye. 2 wo bo pini manfo so a hwensem a wo de wa no ka kire wo no ene ye the third thing. 4 se oko pie babia nipa dom wo families and friends wa be careful of things that you said to yourself to them. Sansa miensa we ni bedi honkom. Ni edikan eye nsem a yeka. San ne yesin kan nsem free ya no mani pie. Nsem na yeka no. Nsem benie ene yeka e kire nipa. E ka kire afoforo. Nsem be ne wo se ye ka kire ye ho. Na e ka kire wona wo ben. You can change one's person life at a time. Destroy one person life at also a time. And wo se nipa na oto no betima destroy wa blabo within second. Sa so na betima kra wa blabo within second by him. Se yebufu a aya nsem ben e na yeka e kire ho ene afoforo. Se emra ye wani gem no ensem ben ye ka kire ho ene afoforo. Na mra ye ra ho so ensem ben ene ye ka kire nipa dua ene afoforo. E wait make say wajimi pa. Who are you referring to? Are you referring to that person? Say oyejimi fo. Say o abofra. Na dani da o ka kire ne say wajimi intentionally. And how are the paduano is it here? And in Niama, ye ni paduano, if you be conscious and subconscious mind. Sa Niama minu wino, ebe attracted. And what ye attracted. Na subconscious mind no, e attracting Niama fast more than the conscious mind. Because subconscious mind ye adwene a wo odwene de ma abofra no. Ye community, society, environment, if you are free potem no wote. Society I will join, sorry I will join, religion I will, but be a ohun who say oko school oko. Jina ye dwene ma no and the friends subconscious mind. So that one or attracting it very fast more than their own itimi edwen. Tie me pai. Say ye ka sama kire obi a ye bufu a aya amama ye nwe insama ye ka wi because asem we it is a bullet it is a twelve abra ye beto asam ye beto to agba na pe oto na agba ni free to no mu pie se gum. Adding so bit my reform is some money in our back. The hefa na do some money now. Now reforming back. And inti Debbie, there is a man I know we are say. That's how very ma we hu odina ne ho fe. Ne ho fe pa you know wiska. Enti okopie baby. Na abofra bi ti wono. Na abofra na iska bi da ne nchen. Enti abofra ni iska na sa ohu ba bi fae na mfrema ehokoshe ade bi ase. Enti sa abofra ni sika na ayra no. O de hye o di patitru se onafa. Tie be pai. O de hye no. Obodawro mo bi ate. Se ipa so masia fam sika. Isansa anti. Ajani din sei. Inema wo nyina firi nsa. Tie me. O de nanum asema sempa na brabo. Na ebre bi na abofra ni san kwata na wo so wodi agro. No sika bi hye ho no. Ntokufa sika na yesa sika na wade koto wona eyira ya hwe asem ya reho nti wo enadwen se wo ko pa no akapa na chew wade ka asem ba akopɛ kire no me de achew nenso ko na kota akokɔ fita tuntum krokora nim na ko firi krotia tutu ne ho nwi no obra akọ ne nya wu tutu saa ututu ko ina na wonante oka kurtia na sambra kuro no kon four joint ni nyina uwi a ja akọ ma akọ nko ko hwe nwi ni nyina na fabra na wo nwi ni nyina de ba me de wasam no ayeden achew nye woka to me so no me de achew there no wo pa ache den he is trying to tell the person say me timi de achew at a minute of time ba answer na no wadwe ho say ba bia was spreading me dia du ba bia wasemi adu ebet ma reform back ubetimi asema kwa ka kire omu nyina say eh ye na me kai o me boa se wo ka kire kofia ka kire ama so tukwan o ka kire ya enti that is how it work ne wodi wa no ka kire obi no ye wodi wa no ka kire oni padua no it's like a bullet free etuma pie enti me reform back it's se kosua free ni pensem abo no it can never reform back enti me enye se na sintie ni bi da bida it's se bo free wonsa abo no na apai bo ni bo se pa na apai a ye so ye ne den yo ye create ni back kra oboa enti me se na sintie first no emre a wonya ne ne no bit me sa amre na ochina ba de wo ye ne wo mre ni mu ne no sa de no ntimi nye no emre na abenya no ochina no da bi time wo yi eye wo ma obia time wo yi ensesa enye hwe ba de wo de wo mre ne ye no ene de wo ntimi fa the next one abenya no ntimi fa nye sa de ni bi nti at a minute of time de wo hwa mi nye wo beti the next minute wo hwa mi a won che sa asem ni bi that is how life is. Be careful of how you utter words to people. Be careful of what you use your life for. Ne wo de wabrabo eye ne wo kato nipa so ne wo mani pate ne wo mani pate firi wonu enkukuo areho abamubuo nsem ne wo ka kire omo obi ye kwasea obi ye aboa obi ye jimifo nipa we lazy obi timi ka kire nipa dua se me ye lazy we de mesua mi hu we de me ya entimi nyeye ne me try se me ya ensi aga ebi ya mosa. Be careful of what you say to yourself. Say to yourself, I am a great person. I will become rich. I will become successful. I'm wise. I'm intelligent. I'm smart. And surely it will come. Subconscious mind, conscious mind, no. Attractive, nyema. But one thing is what you are saying is they have trained you in a way, say, subconscious mind, no. Who you think? Etching conscious mind, no. Because the subconscious mind, and they are when free at the age of your wo and they are gonna ye dwene ma enti o mo kire o se didi kasa aboa kasa kwasea kasa jimifo na wo ka medidi menom so mekoto wet me say then they are teaching you that things but the conscious mind na eboa ma ultimate dream say we mo kan nye nokre we mo kan ye nokre we me ya be say we me ya menye say no that one and work fast so one nyanto boase a wo de wonu masem say obi abrabo wo de wonu masem be say wa agasa abrabo na wo de wonu masem e be ma wa abrabo enwie peye nipa bebre hu omo asase so no it's not their fault say they omo pe no omo ntimi nye da bi but it's their fault say they didn't utter a very good word for themselves. They didn't utter a very good word for their family. There is a man I know which he says, say, my sister can never be successful unless my sister can never be successful until, and it's truly till now the sister is not successful. Why? Because what nano cancer and people's words are very powerful. Words can never be reformed back. It can change. You can ask for forgiveness, but it can never be reformed back. Knowing what you are saying to yourself, know words that you utter to your life, and it will be blessed for your life. It will be blessed for you too. Thank you. The name is only the name, and the name is the one. Kwajo Succe.